So look at this. My first ever swarm, actually. 10 years of doing this, I've never caught a swarm. So Violet and I are out here because I know there's strong swarming instinct. I gotta make some splits, and there's one. So I got the gear right here. Drop it in that box. There's some bottom boards down there. We'll get it. Here, Violet, you take video of me doing it. Here.
Get your hood on.
Okay, the key is to get the queen in the first drop. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Get in there. So if I got the queen, they'll just crawl right down. See what happens.
You just needed to shake it?
Yeah.
That you needed to like...
Mind you, I've never actually done this. I've just seen it done on YouTube.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Now we'll just stick it right there. Other sides. How about that?
Okay.
You like it down?
The video, I can't stop it because...
Okay, don't stop it. Just keep going.
Okay.
This is content.
Are you gonna like push this on YouTube or something?
Oh dear. We'll get that in post.
Dad, look. They're
What?
gathering.
Oh. Well. Can you carry the smoker?
Yeah.
That should be perfect. Got it. That's not good.
Why would it be good? Oh
Where
my.
queen is.
Should I smoke it?
No,
Okay.
they're not mean. When they swarm, they ate lots of nectar and honey before they left. So their tummies are full. So they can't really sting very well. I don't know where my queen is. There we go, Violet. One swarm captured. Look at that. It's that easy. Easy peasy. Now the lid, which still needs pin. I just made all this stuff. All right. One swarm captured.
Why do you need the smoker?
Now, we'll dig into these hives, go up there, see how many more we gotta deal with today. I can only split 3 or 4 today, so some will just have to go. If they can't make it, they can't. If I can't split them, I can't split them. What are you doing? Smoke toots?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. How do I stop this thing? How do I stop it before you do another smoke toot? Hey. Inappropriate.